What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at something kind of interesting. A while back, I looked at a product called the clip cable. Now, the clip cable was a very small cable that you can fit on your keychain, and you can carry it anywhere, and it allows you to basically have a charge cable with you at all times, which was really cool. Now, the same creator of the clip cable sent over his other product, and this one is even more interesting. Let's take a look. There it is. All right. Oh, and a letter. So it's just some information on how this thing works. Okay, so we actually have two different ones here. Now, what this allows you to do is charge your phone from another phone or another device. He sent over the USB to USB-C. The new one, which is the swap charger, and it has an adapter in here. This is a microUSB to Thunderbolt. So in other words, you can charge an Apple to an Android or an Android to an Apple. Or you can use this little tiny adapter on the end and charge an iPhone to an iPhone. How cool is that? Let's give this thing a shot. I'm curious on how this is gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Note 5, plug that in, and my iPhone 5 and plug that in. Boom. What's gonna happen? Nothing. Nothing is happening. No, neither one are charging. Now, he says that it eventually charges Apple to Android, Android to Android, but apparently not Apple to Apple without the adapter. That's why he sent it, okay? And that's all the information that he sent. Well, so there really is no information on it and its compatibility, which is kind of a shame. It could be a lack of information. There could be a possible compatibility issue with, say, the iPhone 5, because this is like the oldest thing possible. Unfortunately, this is the only iPhone that I actually have. I can say that I definitely suggest the clip cable. The clip cable is an awesome little product, and thank you, Earl, for sending over the USB-C version of this. If you haven't seen the clip cable video, click right here, it'll take you right to it. Very cool little device. I think it's only like 14 bucks or something. Definitely worth it. Could really save you in a pinch, for sure. Man, that swap charger, I really wanted this to work. I hope this is just a dud. I really do. If it is a dud and I find out that this one just isn't gonna work and it should work with these, I will definitely do an update video for you guys. Either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below for the clip cable. On the same page, you'll find the swap charger itself. Hopefully, we'll get an update from Earl. Either way, you know, we can't win them all. Sometimes there's failures. Could be on my part, I don't know. Anyway, guys, that is it. Again, link is down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.